Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Honda Element. We're going to be checking all the fluids and the fluids that go in the vehicle by the manufacturer's specifications. This is a standard, so you have an actual clutch reservoir for the hydraulic fluid, which is brake fluid, on a standard on this Honda Element. And on the cap tells you exactly .3 or .4 brake fluid, and you would fill that reservoir up to the minimal and the max. Right now we're at minimal, and the max is up here. It's a good visual. You can actually see the fluid line. So you would top that off and make sure the cover's on secure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.